One, I have titled this video, Patience Pays, Key Forex Lessons from the recent EUR-USD reversal. The EUR-USD pair has experienced a significant shift in recent days, surprising many traders. After more than a month of strong bullish momentum, the trend reversed sharply this week due to renewed strength in the US dollar. The result: a massive sell-off that caught many buyers off guard. As someone actively watching and trading this currency pair, the experience brought an important truth back to the surface. In forex trading, patience is more than a virtue, it's a necessity. Too often, traders rush in and expect markets to move in their favor quickly. But the reality is that forex markets follow broader economic trends, interest rates, expectations, and geopolitical shifts, not our personal timelines. The EUR-USD reversal shows that no matter how strong a trend appears, the market will eventually correct or reverse when conditions are ripe. Now, here are the key lessons I've learned from this reversal, and I want you to pay attention and learn also, so that it can help you to become more profitable in your forex trading expenditure. Number one is that patience can save a trade. A losing position today may become a winning one tomorrow, but only if you are not forced to close it prematurely. Traders who held on long enough during the EUR-USD rally saw profits until the reversal began. Those who sold too early or panicked lost out. Don't trade with money you can't afford to hold. That is number two. If your capital is tied to urgent financial needs, forex trading becomes dangerous. Markets need breathing room, and you need peace of mind. Only use discretionary capital, money you can afford to hold through volatility. Number three lesson for you to become more profitable is that reversals are market determined. No one can predict exactly when a pair will reverse. Technical indicators can help, but real movements depend on broader market sentiment and news. Trust the process, not your emotions. Number four is that strong trends don't last forever. Even the most bullish or bearish runs face correction. Recognize the signs of exhaustion and prepare for pullbacks or reversals. Trend followers must still be vigilant. Here is my conclusion. Forex trading is not about strategy. It's not just about strategy. It's about psychology, patience, and discipline. This recent EUR-USD scenario reminds us to trade smart, stay calm, and never invest money we need in the short term. In this business, emotional stability is just as important as technical knowledge. My name is Dr. Olubengadetitu, and on this channel I bring information on how to make money online and offline. So I also teach you how to do crypto airdrop and how to trade forex. So this is my experience from the recent moves, and I hope you will gain from it. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video to family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more content like this. Until I come your way in the next one, bye for now.